Again with index option trading on November the 3rd after the market close, and we're looking at the chart of SPX. Yesterday and today, the market bounced off here another 23 points. Yesterday it was at 1220, now we're at 1260. This was a hard drop for the last 2 days. This was on 10, and then today is Thursday, Monday, Tuesday we dropped, Wednesday and Thursday we went up. Now we have resistance above at 1270. That is the direction here of the market. The market is going to probably, more likely, is going to touch 1270 and pause, and would have a little bit trouble here. And the overbought conditions are gone, and now we're at McKellen oscillator 129, which is not an overbought readings. It just started. It can go up to 200, 250, and there's a lot more to go. So the market will probably hit here and start getting snagged. Why did this market go up? Let's go and check into news here. That's what the reason was for the market. Greece in turmoil over debt plan, with the market's rise. Athens was in turmoil and the world economy in limbo Thursday as high-stakes game of political brinkmanship in Athens led Prime Minister Papandreou to abandon his explosive plan to put a European deal to a referendum. This guy here was responsible for the market to drop on Monday, Tuesday. He put this plan that was designed by all people in the euro so that his country could be taken out from this hardship that he's facing a bankruptcy. But this guy wanted to put that in a referendum, and he was summoned to Keynes G20, and everybody in there yelled at him, and he backed off, and that's what really he did. He's not a very smart man. So let's set that we get back out of this. Okay, so SPX has moved here. We're only concerned with SPX here. We're not concerned with this guy. And so we're moving up here. The direction of the market nevertheless is up. Let's check other indexes here. NDX. And here we are today again. It dipped here and now it's finishing up at 23,867, way above its 200-day moving and this trend line, which we have already left. Dow Jones, the major index, Dow Jones, it's also got a nice candle here. I like this candle, tearing this 200-day moving apart and finishing at 12,044. That is a victory for the bulls. Now there's very little resistance here, this one, and then this thing is gonna try at least to get over this resistance, 12,200 or more. It's gonna try, provided tomorrow, which is the most important day, tomorrow, Friday, we have a non-horrible job report. Okay, a non-horrible job number. We need that. If we get that non-horrible, a decent job report, the market is taking off. Let's take a look at some of the stocks that here we're looking at. PCLN here, which is the leading stock. They have a position in it. It is at 511. If it gets here 520, 30, we're gonna get out of this position because it has earnings on Monday, which is the 7th. You need to get out of those positions before earning, no matter what. It's a gamble. And then at some of the other stocks that we're looking at, TSCMG, which is sitting here at 337, is coming off that downdraft and trying to go up higher. It's going to probably get 340 something. This is a bullish stock. It can be traded on the upside. Apple, that's another good one here. You take a look at it. It's bouncing off its 50-day moving average and keeping it higher. So that is great. We have another one here. Netflix, NFLX. Take a look at this. Netflix got 9 points today, and it looks like the stock is going to make a run towards 100 and then try to go higher. The volume was pretty heavy at 13 million shares. It's notable, and it is trying to go towards 100. That's where Netflix is headed to. On other things, we have AMZN, Amazon, and let's see where it is. It's not making much headway. It needs to go about 225 because it's 50-day moving average. Then it's good. Deckers, DECK, Deck, and that is sitting at 114. It's also very bullish here and looks strong. So that is all we have today. If we get a non-horrible number tomorrow, the market should go higher.